In this video, I'll compare BetterAuth, Clerk, NextAuth.js, and its successor Auth.js, so you can figure out which authentication solution is the best fit for your Next.js project. We'll look at setup, flexibility, cost, and key features. And at the end, I'll share my personal recommendation. BetterAuth. BetterAuth is the new kid on the block, aimed squarely at modern TypeScript developers. It's lightweight, type-safe, and plays nicely with popular ORMs like Prisma and Drizzle. Setup is minimal. Define your auth routes, configure your database, and you're rolling. It supports email password login, social login, and even two-factor authentication without heavy boilerplate. The downside? The community is still small and it's geared toward TypeScript. If you're running a plain JavaScript project, you might not get all the benefits. Clerk is a managed authentication service. Think of it as outsourcing your entire auth system. You wrap your app in their provider, drop in customizable sign-in sign-up components, and you're live within minutes. It handles MFA, social logins, route protection, and analytics right out of the box. It's perfect if you need to ship quickly, but it comes with a cost. Free tier limits apply, and paid plans can get pricey as your user base grows. You're also trusting your user data to a third-party service, so vendor lock-in is a factor. NextAuth.js. NextAuth.js is the open-source veteran in the Next.js ecosystem. It supports dozens of OAuth providers, works with any database, and gives you full control over session handling. It's completely free, but you'll need to create your own UI and handle more of the setup yourself. It's a solid choice for developers who want flexibility without ongoing service fees. Auth.js. Auth.js is the modern rewrite of NextAuth.js, built to integrate cleanly with Next.js 14 and the app router. It streamlines configuration, works well with server components, and keeps the same provider and adapter ecosystem. It's still open source, but like NextAuth.js, you're building your UI from scratch and handling advanced features on your own. Here's my take. If I need to launch fast with polished UI, I'd go with Clerk. If I want full control and no ongoing costs, Auth.js or NextAuth.js win. But for a TypeScript-heavy project with modern tooling, BetterAuth strikes the best. It's lightweight, type-safe, and still flexible enough for complex flows. Your choice comes down to speed, control, and budget. Pick the one that fits your project, not just the one with the most features on paper. If you've used any of these, drop your experience in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more developer-focused breakdowns.